Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
Title: Spider-Man's Friendly Neighborhood Adventure.
Once upon a time in New York City, there was a young boy named Peter Parker who lived with his Aunt May and Uncle Ben. Peter was just like any other kid. He went to school, loved reading comics, and hung out with his best friend Ned. But one day, something incredible happened that would change Peter's life forever. During a field trip to a science lab, Peter was bitten by a strange spider. This wasn't just any spider, it had been part of Ben. He sped 1 month and it gave Peter superpowers. At first, Peter was confused and scared by his new abilities. But after some practice and a few awkward falls, he learned how to control them. He made himself a special red and blue suit, and with his web shooters, he became Spider-Man, the hero of New York City. So Spider-Man began swinging through the city, stopping bad guys, helping people in trouble. One day, while patrolling the neighborhood, Spider-Man heard a strange noise coming from the park. When he swung down to check it out,
Wait, next part. Thanks for watching my videos.